Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to link your Rogue Company account to Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to store.steampowered.com. Go ahead and log in with your credentials. Now here's an important tip that will make the connection process much smoother. Make sure you stay logged into your Steam account because this allows Rogue Company to verify your identity and link the account seamlessly without any additional authentication steps. Next, open a new tab in your browser and head over to link.roguecompany.com. This is the official linking portal where you can connect your Rogue Company account to various gaming platforms. Once the page loads, you'll see a list of different platform options displayed in the middle of your screen. From this list, click on Steam. This tells the system which platform you want to connect your Rogue Company account to. After selecting Steam, you'll be prompted to sign in. Click the Sign In button to proceed. This step verifies that you have permission to link these two accounts together and ensures that no one can link your account without your authorization. Now you'll see a checkbox with the terms of service, privacy policy, and EULA agreement. Click the box beside I agree to the terms of service, privacy policy, and EULA. This is a standard requirement that confirms you understand and accept the terms for linking your accounts. It's important to review these terms if you haven't already, as they outline how your data will be shared between Steam and Rogue Company. Finally, click the Connect button to complete the linking process. The system will now establish the connection between your Steam account and your Rogue Company profile. This might take a few moments as the platforms communicate with each other and verify the link. Once it's done, your accounts will be successfully connected, allowing you to access your Rogue Company progress through Steam and enjoy cross-platform features. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Rogue Company account to Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.